Hello, viewers. For the YouTube channel, Lex Consilium Foundation and the playlist Going Strong, I am in conversation here with Justice MN Venkatachalaiah, who is the 25th Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India, one of the most eminent and highly respected judge. And so the next question that I would like to put across to you is that recently the two judges of Allahabad High Court, their names came up, they made news for wrong reasons. And then, as the things happened, subsequently, both of them, they are no more in service. One retired after completing his normal service, and the other put in his papers. Now, those, the facts, the merits of the case apart, but looking at these two incidents, it has definitely created a dent to the image of the judiciary. So, on a broader front, what would be your advice? How do you look at it, and how can this be set right? I'm sure nobody will have a doubt that it gives you any happiness. So, to set right this malady, what would you suggest, sir?
A systemic defect in every organization, generality of cases, and some of what may be called aberration is intrinsic to the system itself.
Yes.
You can't say everything must be white purity. There may be shades of opinion. In fact, there are controversies about facts. And this has happened in every jurisdiction, everywhere in the world.
Yes.
In England it has happened, in America it has happened, it happened in India. But too much of importance is to underplay the broader great role the Indian judiciary has served.
Yes.
To emphasize this exception is to minimize the importance of the general good that the system has done. It is intrinsic to every system that there are some cases of aberration. On the whole, the Indian judiciary, having regard to the social, economic, political dissensions and confusions that are created from time to time, the judiciary has held its court. Thank God that since judges who to stake their reputation and take a stand in favor of human rights, human dignity, and honor, and some kind of social coherence. These are values that have inspired them. Otherwise, where would the country go? So these kind of what we may broadly call aberration, they are tantrums of human behavior. And you can't enact a law. This is the value of tradition. What is the influence of the whole atmosphere of the judiciary and personal conduct, how much of restraint it can impose morally on a judge, but the culture of the institution, broad culture of the institution itself. These are indications that that kind of culture is not become very mature, and the influence of that culture on the individual judges is not becoming assertive and pronounced. And every judge must have a sense and commitment to a sense of belonging to a higher
Set of values.
set of values. And that comes out of constant discussion about the values and the need to stick to them.
Sir, I would, with the utmost respect, sir, just with a view to provoke you, sir, if I may, kindly, sir. Sir, this saying that treating this as an aberration is perhaps it will go contrary to a number of people who have said that it is all-time low now. These two incidents, they reflect. How do you look at that?
It is low.
Sir.
No doubt that definitely low watermark of judicial integrity.
Sir.
But what is to pursue it to its logical end is necessary. Generalized and
Yes, certainly, sir. It should not be generalized. Yes, sir.
generalize the thing and paint the whole judicial system black.
No, that would not be correct, sir, and cannot be justified. That cannot be, sir. Thank you, sir.